I'm a diamond, not a piece of glass. Break my heart, you can kiss my ass. Walk away like I never knew ya. Got a new man, what's it to ya? I'm a diamond, I'm a diamond, I'm a diamond, not a piece of glass. Walk away like I never knew ya. Got a new man, what's it to ya? I don't even know if you can handle it. All I know is you can have it.
My name is Janelle, and today we are going to do a not so serious makeup look where we dive into my makeup bag. As you can see, just to kind of save some time for the video, I went ahead and I did my eyebrows off camera. I prepped my eyelids and I did my under eye. So yes, we are almost done pretty much. It is wintertime, and as you can see, I got one of my Christmas trees up. This one is for my bedroom, and then I have my other one in the living room. I will go ahead and put a little montage so you guys can see. Well, what did you think? So that is my Christmas tree for this year. Welcome to Vlogmas. Can you believe it is Vlogmas? I cannot believe it is Vlogmas. I have been away from YouTube for like 10 months, but I am back. We are here to do some videos. We are here to do
the videos, okay? We are here.
It is Vlogmas. It is time to pump out some videos. I don't know how many I'm going to be able to get done. Pray for me. We're already in the second and I haven't even begun to edit this video. So Vlogmas will be interesting, but a fun little thing that you guys should know and definitely keep up on is I will be doing a giveaway. I'm going to be giving away a $100 Sephora gift card to a very lucky winner, a very lucky subscriber. And yeah, I'll be giving it away on Christmas Day. So you want to make sure that you tune in, and I will throughout my not so serious makeup series let you guys know what's going on with the giveaway, how to enter, where the winner is going to be announced. And if you want a deeper look into my life, a more personal look, a more intimate look, you can always hit me up on my TikTok or my Instagram. And I am also there if you want to chat about any makeup questions, any makeup tips. Hit me up on my DMs. Here are here. So with that being said, let's go ahead, open up our makeup bags, grab our brushes, and you know the drill, guys. Let's get this video started. Okay, so I've already started with my face, and let me just, so you guys can see me. Hello. Let me show you guys what I used for my face, how I achieved the first part of my look. I do love these palettes. I will be replacing this. This is something that stays in my makeup bag, and this is the Studio Fix Conceal and Correct palette in dark. I don't know if she gonna focus, but you can get this anywhere. Macy's, Nordstrom's, online, Mac stores. So to replace my NC45 that I have beat to absolute-ish, I purchased from MAC this is their 24-hour Studio Fix Smooth Wear Concealer. I went in with this and I went in with this. I use this in the corners, and then I go in with a brush very similar to this. Actually, this is the brush. I don't know what brush is this. This is a Japanese, and this is the number 712. They all just get used for concealer and for buffing out. So after I did my eyebrows, I went in with the same brush and buffed out my eyes. I went in with this in the corners. Just kind of dabbled the brush in this and this. This one right here is NW45. So it's just a different tone. And this one, I'm here. I love makeup. I love to talk about it. I love to chat about it. And if you've ever been on my TikTok, or if you've been on my TikTok recently, I did just post some throwback pictures of me in aesthetic school. I went to school for it. I studied it. I studied skin. Okay, I don't know it all, but I know a lot. I'm just going to show you guys a little throwback when I was in the aesthetic school. And it was long, you guys. guys. It was fun though, and it was just an amazing time, and I learned a lot. We played in a lot of makeup. Those are my aesthetic roots. I went to Federico Beauty Institute. I would have to say Federico Beauty Institute is one of the best. Some amazing instructors. That is amazing. So that is my background on me and my love for makeup. So with all that being said, let's go ahead and get into the rest. There's not much to do. So what have you guys been up to lately? I feel like the last time I did a video, I was asking the same thing, like, what are you going to be getting for Christmas, or what do you want for Christmas? Have you started your Christmas shopping? Have I really been gone that long? I know I haven't started Christmas shopping. I don't have many people to Christmas shop for. Let's go ahead. I want to actually highlight my eyebrows. Okay, so right when I get started, it cuts off. But I just wanted to highlight my brow bone. I'm gonna go in with Danessa Myricks. This is her Yummy Skin It Girl blush. Well, it's called It Girl. And this is part of the blurring powder line with the, it's got Upsilite in it. I love this blush. It looks really bright, but it's really pretty, you guys. The color is a little skewed because I had butterfly on my brush and I can see it coming through, but the pink and the gold. Now I'm going to go in with Hourglass's bronzer, and I like to bring my bronzer and my blush kind of together. I'm debating if I should. I'm going to go in with a brush like this, and we're going to go back to the task at hand. Now that we've got our face on, I'm going to go in. Do I want to use Pat McGrath's mini eyeshadow palette at Midnight Voyage? Or do I want to use Huda Beauty's Love Fest? I think we're going to go with this one. She's beautiful too. I could take her too. The whole damn thing. In with some transition colors. We're going to stick to these right here. Oh, and this is the brush I'm using. And so I'm going to take it up here, the top. Do you do like a full face of makeup if you're going to go run errands? I don't put on makeup at all, actually. Okay, so we have our transition shade on. Now I'm going to go in with a darker shade with this brush right here. And we are going to hit up this shade right here. And we're going to put this right below the transition color. I'm the type of girl, I gotta do both at the same time. I can't do one and then do the other. I can, but it really throws me off. It's just like too much pressure to match them, because if I do them side by side, I can build each one. Or if I have to change like the whole look, then I can do it. But if I've already done one eyelid and then I gotta change the whole look, I gotta take the whole eyelid off. I like to do them both at the same time. A little bit more to this eye. I'm going to use this brush, and we're going to go in with the darkest shade. With this shade, we're going to take that. I'm going to stamp it where I want it. And I just want it in the corners. The darker shades I like to build up because they scare me, because they can ruin a look. Shining Brilliant.
Yeah.
Let's see. Shining. So, looks like this. And I'm just going to dab this in the middle and kind of bring it up. And we're going to do the same. And this stuff is liquid, so you do want to let it dry before you go ham. Now I'm going to go in with, I almost picked up Pat McGrath. I'm going to go in with the darker shade right here and do under. What are those? Do my under eye line. Just like that. And now I'm going to do a quick little flick. And we're almost done. Oh, I did actually want to go in with a brown liner on my under eye real quick. Hold on, my bad. You know, just to irritate my eyes more than they already are. Oh, and I'm going to go in with this little stick. It is so handy. These are the Tarte Quick Stick pencils, and this is in brown and rose gold luster. And it came in a pack of 3. Brown, black, and like this reddish color. And I like to use it for my inner corners. And maybe a dot. Let's get the flick on. And do you guys want to see me do my eyeliner? I'll come in a little bit closer. Just like swoop, swoop, baby, swoop, baby. Just a little flick. Okay. I'm not going to do much. I'm not going to do false eyelashes. I'm going to go in with the mascara I was just talking about. And Essence Volume Booster Lash Primer. First I'm going to do my under. Why do I keep saying under? It's lower. My lower lashes. And I like to use this because it just brings them out because I can't see them. Oh, this is the old one. That's some bullshit. Where is my new one? Okay, so never mind on using that. We're going to use L'Oreal's Panorama, which is the bomb. It's so big. Actually, we're not going to use that for the look. I can't. I'm going to actually go in with MAC's Gigabyte Extended Play Gigabyte Lash. And I love this mascara, not only because it's MAC, but because it's got the tiniest wand. Perfect for tiny lashes or your lower lash line. By far my favorite lip liner. Night Moth. And what is it? Smoked Purple. But we're not doing all that today. But Night Moth is definitely my favorite. So I'm going to go in with Night Moth. I'm going to use my older one, Night Moth, but I'm going to use this one because I can't remember what happened to it, but something happened to it, and then I got another one, but I'm going to continue to use this one. But this is by far my favorite lip liner, Night Moth. It's like this deep, great purple. Or actually, it's not even a great purple. It's like a smoked purple. Okay. beautiful. It's been one of my favoriteest lip liners to date. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with everything is my favorite. I'm sorry, but I'm gonna go in with one of my favorite lip glosses. This is by Gwen Stefani's brand. This is the bubble. This is the Bubble Pop Electric lip gloss, and in the color Candy. And the packaging is just what makes me just love it. I love it. Oh my god, beautiful. Okay, so that's what we're going to add, and it just makes, I just like to squish it on there. This is my red lip, like So we've got Night Moth and Night Moth by MAC, Gwen Stefani's Bubble Pop Electric Lip Gloss, which is absolutely darling. And let me come in closer so you guys can. And if you want, you can always put, you know, like a little highlight. I don't even need one. I love the dark, the deep. I will rock a black lip any day. I love it. You really don't. Besides some lip gloss. Like, it is such a beautiful color, you guys. I mean, the Bubble Pop just tops it off. But this is it. This is our look. I am done. I didn't really do much. Okay, this is the not so serious makeup look, but I did accentuate and highlight and brighten and warm up some of the areas of my skin, and this is what we came up with, right? I mean, not too much. You ain't gotta look tall. And I would say if I wasn't gibbering the whole time, it would only take me about 10 minutes to throw this look together, if that. And if you guys want me to do a hair tutorial, people on TikTok and Instagram have been asking me about my hair. I'll be more than happy to do one. Thank you for spending some time with me while I chit chat and do my makeup. I hope you guys pulled out your makeup bags and played along with. Let me know in the comments if there is any questions about any products that I used. You guys always know I put in detail the products that I used and what they were used for down in the description box below. Yeah, thank you for spending time while I complete this look. I am absolutely loving it. I'm loving it. But anyway, thank you guys. I hope you're excited for Vlogmas. I hope you are excited for the Sephora giveaway. So stay tuned. We've got a 7-episode series of the Not So Serious Makeup Look. This was episode 1. Just doing a little chit chat, getting to talk with you guys again, letting you into my world, letting you know a little bit more about me, where I come from, and why I love makeup so damn much. People always ask, why do you love makeup so damn much? Thank you guys for spending time with me. Why do I keep saying that? I'm gonna have to edit that out. We are all done. I will see you in the next episode, but until then, oh, and don't forget, make sure you hit that like button. Hit that like button so we can, you know, we can get around town, get around Pam Town. And if you are not already subscribed, because I know you're not, because I only have like 2.9K, make sure you hit that subscribe button. I would love to have you on board here at my makeup bag so we can explore what's in my makeup bag. We can talk about what's in your makeup bag. We can talk about what you want to put in your makeup bag, what you want to take out of your makeup bag. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, give this a little share, send it to all your friends so I can say hello. Stay safe, and I'll see you right here. Same vibe, same glitter. All right, guys. Peace.